Now I will show you the exact process that I have used many times to earn over $20 for 5 minutes of work on Binance peer-to-peer. First, I have chosen here Euro currency. Second, I have chosen here Revolut. Third, I have chosen here sell. Fourth, I open a new tab. Fifth, I click here to post a new ad. And sixth, I sell my USDT above the market price to earn the profits. I come to google.com, I see that $1 equals 10.2 euros. So I sell it above that price and earn the profits. For example, in this case, you could sell each USDT for 0.3 euros and make the money. And then once I want to earn even more money, and I have done this process once, then I click here buy, and again I choose the euro, I choose the Revolut, and then I do this process to the other way around. So I look how much is 1 euro in USDT, and I make sure that I buy some USDT below the market price. For example, if 1 euro is 0.98 US dollars, I buy those dollars for a cheaper price than this one. And you will find it really easily here on the trade section and peer-to-peer. Click right here and it opens the peer-to-peer platform for you. I'll tell you in a moment why I personally love Binance peer-to-peer, and I will show you the money making process more in detail. But first I want to give you a little bit background and some exciting things that are going on here on Binance peer-to-peer platform. First of all, at the moment when I'm recording this video, there are around 100 million users on Binance, and more than 14 million users have already used Binance peer-to-peer platform. By the time you are watching this, it's probably already 15 million, 20 million, 30 million, so on and so forth. So all the time, millions of people worldwide start using this platform. And as you can see right here, there are more than 100 different fiat currencies supported, so you can easily use this with your government currencies as well, such as US dollars, euro, and all the other ones that you can see right here. And this platform works worldwide in more than 252 countries and regions, so it's a really global platform. And there are more than 700 different payment methods activated right here. The example that I showed you in the beginning, that I often like to use Revolut, you don't need to have a Revolut account. You can use any of these hundreds of different payment methods right here. I have also heard that there are many exciting things coming up for peer-to-peer users. First of all, I heard that they are going to share some Binance swag for peer-to-peer users, so you can have a chance to have some of the Binance clothes and this kind of rewards. Then when you come to Binance announcements, I recommend you type it on Google, then here announcement, you click here latest activities. Here they will inform about Binance peer-to-peer announcements, and one of the things that is coming, that you will have a chance to share 43,000 BUSD in rewards. You will hear more about that here in the announcement section, and then also zero maker fees for peer-to-peer users. So there are many announcements coming, so stay tuned, and as a peer-to-peer users, you have a chance to get amazing reward.